Pedro rejects the amnesty. Buying a government is neither ethical nor legal. It is institutional corruption. It is unconstitutional. What bothers Peugeot is that powers are being used. I mean, since 2017, when Catalonia tried the whole independence issue and everything else, many people were prosecuted. So they don't want those people to stop being prosecuted. And this was the Catalan independence referendum in October 2017, when several Catalan politicians and activists were put on trial and charged with crimes such as sedition and embezzlement of public funds. The amnesty proposes that Pedro Sanchez's government, through a law that, if passed, would instantly erase those convictions. And it would suspend any ongoing legal proceedings related to those events. This would be a tremendous problem, so let's take a closer look. What was the news about this? The leader of the Popular Party, Alberto Núñez Feijóo, has once again criticized that never before has a prime minister been so surrounded by corruption. At an event in Cáceres, Feijóo lamented that Sanchez's ministers fabricate falsehoods and do not correct them. And he has demanded explanations about the role of Lere Díez in the Socialist Party. Furthermore, the leader of the Popular Party has reproached the government for granting impunity to the separatists in exchange for staying in power. They tried to convince people that they didn't know who this Lere Díez was. The best thing they could possibly do, rather than simply pretending and then backtracking, is to clearly and honestly explain in detail exactly what this lady actually did when she was at the post office. What was she doing there? She bought a position with a privilege. It is neither ethical, nor moral, nor legal to grant impunity in exchange for power that is corruption. So the government argues that prolonging these cases and sentences prevents the rebuilding of dialogue between the central government and Catalan institutions. They also say it is a measure to heal wounds. But what does it actually mean? Would the sentences of up to 13 years handed down against some high-ranking officials of the Catalan government be annulled? Like Kiran Torra, Jordi Turull, Jordi Sánchez, Oriol Jorquera, and several others. Further,